Hello guys! To make the list of these DIY tools, we have put in a lot of effort. You know, having skills isn't always enough to be a pro in the job field. Often, you need to have some great tools. That's why today, we are here with a list of 10 DIY tools that will make you a pro. At first, we have the Batavia Fixxbrush. You know how annoying it is to deal with stubborn weeds and moss, right? Well, say goodbye to sore knees and endless hours of scrubbing, because this 12-volt Fixxbrush is here to save the day. This tool is known as one of the most reliable and effective weed brushes that makes outdoor cleaning a task like a game. Its innovative, re-oscillating brush head gives you total control and removes weeds in no time. Plus, with an adjustable telescopic pole, you can set it to the perfect height for a comfortable cleaning experience. And the second-hand grip makes long jobs so much easier. And the best part? It's completely eco-friendly, so you can get rid of weeds without using any harmful chemicals. Next up, we've got the all-new RYOBI TriPOWER Tripod LED light. One of the brightest RYOBI light yet, that packs an impressive 3,800 lumens. Whether you're working in a dim garage, a job site, or even outdoors at night, this light has you covered. Thanks to its TriPOWER technology, you can power it up using any 18-volt 1+ battery, a 40-volt battery, or simply plug it into an extension cord. The 135-degree pivoting head and adjustable panels let you aim the light exactly where you need it, while the detachable 18-volt 1+ 360-degree LED light gives you portable illumination whenever you need it. Plus, with 4 brightness modes, you'll always have the perfect lighting for any situation. This tripod light is all about flexibility, making it a must-have for any workspace. Alright, let's talk about a such DIY tool that keeps all your blades sharp. The cordless knife and tool sharpener from Smith's. If you're tired of dealing with dull knives, scissors, shovels, mower blades, or even axes and machetes, this little tool has got you covered. It's super easy to use and works fast, so you don't have to struggle with worn-out edges anymore. The sharpener comes with belts and coarse, medium, and fine grits, so you can get the perfect finish for any tool. Just clean off any dirt with a wire brush, secure the tool in a vise, and adjust the sharpener's head to the right angle. Just push the button on the front and rotate it to where you need it. Then, run the blade along the beveled edge about 5 to 6 times, and boom! If we say the best part, this tool is rechargeable and portable, so you can sharpen your tools wherever you need to. Just be extra careful if you're sharpening without a vise. Are you looking for a workbench that's both sturdy and super easy to set up? Say hello to the Bosch DIY Mobile Workbench. The PWB 600 is all about flexibility and safety. And the best part? You can assemble or fold it up in just a few seconds. No extra tools are needed. It comes with a tough bamboo work surface that even has an integrated storage compartment. So this table will be perfect for all kinds of tasks. Plus, the flexible clamping jaws let you secure both round and bulky work pieces with ease. With a workbench length of 680 millimeters, a height of 553 millimeters, and a max load capacity of 200 kilograms, this bench is built to handle whatever job you throw at it. Got a DIY project, craft, or woodworking task coming up? The Pony 4-piece expandable clamp set is here to make your life easier. These easy-to-hold, light-duty bar clamps are perfect for small projects and even double as spreader clamps when needed. They're super easy to use with just one hand, thanks to the comfy contoured grip and quick-release lever. Plus, the jaw reach has protective pads so your materials stay safe while clamping. With a load limit of 150 pounds, this set includes 2 6-inch clamps and 2 12-inch clamps. So you will get just the right tools to handle different project sizes with ease. Got a big framing project coming up and need a nailer that can handle tough substrates with ease? The SENCO cordless pneumatic framing nailer is the perfect tool for the job. This powerful tool uses fusion cordless air power technology to give you the performance of a pneumatic nailer without the hassle of hoses, compressors, or fuel cells. It drives nails up to 3.5 inches by 0.148 inches into even the hardest materials, like engineered lumber with no ramp-up time. You'll love the jam reduction intelligence that minimizes nail jams and the dry fire lockout that protects the tool. Plus, it features a brushless motor for efficient, consistent performance, and the rugged aluminum rafter hook keeps your tool secure when you're not using it. With tool-free depth adjustment, a selectable firing mode switch, and a nail jam indicator, this nailer is built for both professional framers and DIYers who want power and convenience all in one. We know how tiring it is to use brushes or spray cans for your small projects. That's why we have kept this HomeRight quick finish paint sprayer on this list. This tool is perfect for furniture, crafts, decor, and more, giving you a smooth, consistent finish with zero brush marks. With multiple adjustable settings, you can easily control the spray pattern, horizontal, vertical, or circular, and fine-tune the material flow to suit your project. Whether you're using thinned milk, chalk, latex paints, or even stains, sealers, and lacquers, this sprayer handles them all. Plus, it's got lock-and-go technology for quick color changes and super easy cleanup. And the 800-milliliter container means you won't have to keep refilling it every few minutes. It's all about control, efficiency, and getting that perfect finish every time. Tired of struggling to get the right ladder position when working in tight spaces? The little giant Telecombo is here to solve that problem and make your DIY tasks safer and easier. When you're working on a project that requires you to reach high places or access tight corners, this ladder lets you go from a leaning position to full extension smoothly. The extension hooks are right at eye level, so you can lock the ladder in place without straining. With its spring-loaded hinge, you'll know exactly when it's locked, and with a 375-pound weight rating, it's built tough. You can easily convert it into a straight extension by lifting the heavy-duty spreader bars, and the large, comfortable steps make it a dream to use. Plus, the spike foot position makes it perfect for soft ground, and it's versatile enough to lean on walls, poles, studs, or corners. It's designed to conform to your work, not the other way around, giving you confidence at height every time. If you've been looking for a powerful and versatile pole saw, the Skil PowerCore 8-inch pole saw is a fantastic choice. It comes with an 8-inch bar and chain pivoting head, along with a 3.5-foot extendable aluminum shaft that lets you easily transform the saw from 6.5 feet to a full 10 feet. The pivoting head has a 135-degree range and 8 presets, giving you better control and making it a breeze to reach those tough branches. Plus, the auto-lubricating chain reduces friction and boosts durability, while the toolless chain tensioning means you can make quick adjustments on the job without any hassle. Whether you're trimming tall trees or tackling tricky branches, this pole saw has got you covered. Wrapping up with the OX Pro Green Beam Laser Level Kit. This tool comes with a range of 45 meters and comes with a built-in pulse mode, allowing you to easily connect with laser receivers for maximum accuracy. The removable, rechargeable lithium batteries give you up to 12 hours of runtime, and since they're USB-C compatible, you can easily recharge them on the go. Plus, the kit includes a magnetic micro-adjustment mounting bracket for added convenience. The green beam is 4 times brighter than traditional red lasers, making it super easy to see, even in bright conditions. Whether you're working on big projects or just need precision, this laser-level kit is designed to get the job done. So, that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the useful hand tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.